Here I have Poco X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. So you can change recording resolution, you can change video quality, you can change orientation, you can change sound source, you can record like no sound, microphone or system sound. You can enable fixed frame rate, or you can just enable automatic frame rate. Here you can select select fixed frame rate. You can also lock screen to end, show touch gestures, show button taps, and yeah. So to start recording, you just tap on this button once here, and this kind of recording menu appears. So from here you can also access these settings. You can access screen recordings folder also. So let's try to record something. So now recording is live. Let's record something. I don't know, okay. 10 seconds are okay. We can find our recording in gallery in the album called videos or screenshots and screen recordings. Screen recordings, and here it is. So now recording is live. Let's record something. I don't know, okay. 10 seconds. 10 seconds are enough. That's what I wanted to say. So yeah, from here you can share, edit, delete your recording, like it, and so on, and some other options. So yeah, let's delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.